Hello, and welcome to the City of Gardena Parks and Recreation Master Plan Workshop number 3 video. My name is Zachary Meeting, and I'll guide you through this presentation. The purpose of the Parks and Recreation Master Plan is to develop a roadmap and a tool to manage the development of parks and recreation facilities and programs in the future. Most importantly, it's developed based on local participation. The process is broken up into 5 stages. First, the inventory of existing conditions, followed then by an extensive community engagement process. Then we balance those scales and develop the needs assessment, which ultimately gives us input to develop the recommendations, and finally, the funding and implementation strategies. The project will take roughly 11 months to complete. You can see here we are, right in the middle of the process. As part of our background investigation, we look at the existing documents to make sure there are no conflicts as we move forward with the development of the Parks and Recreation Master Plan. Another element we look at is the demographics, and we see in 2022 the population was just over 61,000 people. We also look at the largest age groups. 38% are from the ages of 35 to 64. As we go through the inventory of parks and facilities, we look at what exists, and we see the city has a number of park facilities available to the community. We also look at the distribution of those parks facilities. Where do they exist in relationship to the neighborhoods, the people who may use them? Another of the elements that we look at as part of our existing conditions is looking at the inventory of programs. What programs are available to the residents within the community? Next, we go out to the community in an extensive community engagement process, where we'll have a dedicated website to collect feedback comments at any point in time during the process, stakeholder interviews, in-person community workshops, as well as online surveys, and a statistically valid multimodal survey. To date, we've received a lot of information from the community and different ideas and what they're looking for in terms of parks and recreation facilities. I'd like to share that information now as we proceed. When looking at the data collected during the multimodal survey, we see that 34% of the participants get their news and information from the city website. 80% of the participants are satisfied with the maintenance of parks and recreation facilities, and 78% are satisfied with the existing parks and recreation facilities and programs provided. During that multimodal survey, we asked, what is one class or activity or program you would like to see added or improved in the city of Gardena? And we heard arts and crafts, dance, exercise workouts, martial arts and self-defense, senior programs, swimming lessons, volleyball programs, and yoga. In terms of one park feature or recreation facility participants would like to see added or improved in Gardena, we heard dog park, fitness equipment, exercise machines, pickleball court, playground, jungle gym, swings, a swimming pool, and tennis courts. As part of our process, we held an in-person workshop. Workshop number 1 was held August 17th. After the live presentation, an online presentation was added to the project website, and an online survey was made available to the community for 2 weeks. As part of that workshop, we asked participants, what are the most important community characteristics that make the city of Gardena a great place to live, work, and play? We heard elements such as community events, community activities, diversity, friendly community, good neighborhood, location, environment, safety, low crime, and police presence. We asked those participants, what are some issues or trends that may be negatively impacting those characteristics? We heard elements such as cleanliness, crime and safety, bad areas, police, enforcing curfew, lighting issues, homelessness, maintenance upgrades, neglected areas, parking and parking lots. Lastly, during this workshop, we asked what role can Recreation and Human Services Department play in addressing those issues to preserve the great community characteristics that we love here in the city. And we heard cleanliness, graffiti removal, improved parks, better community environment, community events and activities, programs, services, marketing, communication improvements, collaborate with park experts and nonprofits, more green space and trees, nature, public facilities and outdoor activities, safety, police presence, surveillance, and crime prevention. Continuing our outreach efforts, we held an in-person workshop on September 27th. After that workshop, a video presentation was presented online, and the online survey was made available to the community for 2 weeks. During that workshop, we asked participants, what is one park feature or recreation facility they would most like to see added or improved in the city of Gardena? We heard aquatic facilities, dog park, dog-friendly areas, martial arts facility at Thornburg Park, Perry School site improvements, playground improvements, restroom improvements, and shade. We asked those participants, what is one recreation program, class, or activity you would like to see added or expanded within the city of Gardena? And we heard aquatic programs, dance class, exercise class, Zumba, pickleball classes, martial arts programs, yoga, meditation classes, youth programs such as kids, teens, teen programs, activities, and sports. I encourage you to look at the dedicated project website where you can see more information that we've posted, as well as look at the schedule and how to get involved. There's also a feedback button on that project website at thecityofgardena.org/masterplan. Click or scan the QR code and you can share your thoughts and ideas directly to the planning team. Take the survey now, available from October 26th through November 12th. We'd like to hear your thoughts and ideas on the future of Parks and Recreation here in the city of Gardena. Thank you for watching this video presentation. I look forward to hearing your thoughts and ideas as we proceed to develop the Parks and Recreation Master Plan for the city of Gardena.